Hello, this is a little bit about Teen Court. Teen Court, near and dear to my heart. It's the biggest bang for the buck, I think, that exists in the restorative justice field. And what it is a legal diversion program. That is, a young person is arrested for a crime, and the arresting officer, usually with the approval of the captain of the police substation or a prosecutor, can refer the case to teen court, where youth are trained to assume all of the roles of adults during a normal trial, with the exception of the judge, who is an adult and takes a last look at any judgment. If the young person, the offender, complies with the judgment of the peer jurors, they have a clean record. They get a second chance of going through life without being in the system. And that's major. That is big time. I think next week, depending on schedules, we will be interviewing Mr. Scott Peterson, who is the CEO of an organization known as Global Youth Justice. You can check globalyouthjustice.org to see a treasure trove of information about youth courts. He and his organization support or hand a hand in getting started over 1,800 teen courts on 5 continents. I'm very excited about that interview. And then if you would, take a look at the slideshow, which is attached. These are students from the Sweetwater Union High School District, one of the largest high school districts in the state, 42,000 students. These are students from several high schools who came together to advocate for teen court. Before the pandemic, we were moving along with legislation, working through Office of Shirley Weber to see if we couldn't create legislation that would provide grant money for California high schools to initiate teen courts. I think you'll find it very interesting. And again, the kids are just wonderful. It's all their work. So take a look at the slideshow, and hope to see you soon.